Hello everyone, let's start with this. If you have invested just $100 into Bitcoin since 2015, you're gonna have over $40,000. If you have invested into XRP since 2015, you're gonna have over $50,000. It's not even too late because the crypto market is just getting regulated. So you are still early. So this is the best time to start investing into cryptocurrency. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can start investing into cryptocurrency as a beginner. It's going to be a complete guide. It's going to be a step-by-step video. I will show you everything you need to know in order to start investing into cryptocurrency. So stay tuned. To start investing into cryptocurrencies, we're going to need to open an account with a crypto exchange. A crypto exchange is just a software company that will allow us to buy, sell, or store our cryptos. It's going to also give us the price history of most of the coin that is available into that crypto exchange. And again, we need those details in order to start investing into cryptos because we need to have access to the market, then we can invest into the market or the cryptos. And again, the most user-friendly I'm gonna recommend for the crypto exchange gonna be Kraken, Coinbase, or Crypto.com. Those are the most user-friendly, especially for beginners. And I'm gonna leave links in the description. You can sign up with those referral link of mine, or if you don't want to use my referral link, you can just go on the App Store, just type Kraken, Crypto.com, or Coinbase. You will be able to download those apps directly from the App Store. And again, once you open an account, then get yourself familiar with the app. For example, how to make a deposit, how to withdraw, or how to sell your coin. We need to get ourselves familiar with that. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna just give a quick demo. For example, I'm gonna use the Crypto.com app to just give you a quick demo how you can buy, sell, or store your cryptos. So actually buying or selling cryptos, it's pretty easy. So this is Crypto.com. So if you sign up on Crypto.com and you go on the homepage, you're gonna have something like this. Those are just my favorite coin that I have selected, but again, you can choose your favorites by yourself. So if you want to check the market to just see the coin that is available, you can just click market. It's going to show you all the coin that is available, and again, this price is in Canadian dollars, so it's not in the US USD, so it is in Canadian dollars. So that's why you see 160. So the price is still about $117,000. So it's pretty much less than that. So this is in Canadian dollars. So if you want to buy any coin, you can just go to the market, select the coin you want to buy. For example, XRP, you click buy, you will be able to buy the XRP options. If you want to buy any other coin than XRP, like Solana, you can just click, and again, just click buy. It's going to give you different options, payments option. So if you have made a deposit, you will be able to see the deposit from your account directly. It's going to show you how much money you have on your cash option on your account. If you want to just buy from your credit card, you can just add your credit card or add another payment method that you have, Apple Pay. Again, there is many other payments option that you can use to buy your crypto with. And you can select the number of for example, how many Solana I want to buy. For example, I want to buy 5. It's going to give him the price of 5 Solana in Canadian dollars. And again, that's pretty much it. It's very easy. So just select the coin you want to buy, go to the market, select the coin you want to buy. Or if you know the name of the coin that you're looking for example, I'm looking for Dogecoin, you can just type Doge or Dogecoin. It's going to show you Dogecoin available. Then you can buy it directly from here. So that's pretty much it. You can just tap the name of the coin if you know the crypto you want to buy, or just starting from the number 1 and going down and checking which one that you prefer, or which one that you already know, or the company the crypto that you already know, so you can invest in those coins. So that's pretty much it. And if you want to select or make any coin your favorite, it's pretty easy. Just as you can see here, there is like a star option on the corner. You just have to select that, and it's going to be in yellow. Once you do that, you're going to have it on your home page. It's going to show you the coin that is your favorite, to show you different prices of those coins. So again, it's pretty much easy. If you want to sell, you just click sell, and it's going to give you different coin that you have, or different cryptos that you have, and you can sell them. If you want to make a deposit, you just click deposit. You select if you want to deposit cash, you select cash. If you want to deposit cryptos from United platform, for example, you want to transfer your crypto from United crypto exchange to this crypto exchange, you can use this deposit cryptos from other platform options. So that's pretty much it. So it's very simple, it's not complicated. So again, download the app, sign up with the app, get yourself familiar with how to make a deposit, sell your cryptos. Those are the best, the first option we're gonna need in order to start investing into cryptos. So how people actually make money with cryptocurrency? There are a lot of ways how we can make money with cryptocurrency. The number one option gonna be trading. You can trade cryptocurrency. You can buy when the price is low, you sell when the price is high. Because the market is usually volatile, so you can sell when the price is high, buy it when the price is low. People usually use this option because they want to make as much money as possible. They don't want to wait in a very long term to make money. They want to make money maybe every hour or every day. They want to make money. So a lot of people use that option, trading, but I don't really like it because it's just gambling. The risk is too high to lose your money. I don't really recommend trading. The second way people make money is to buy the cryptos before they reach crypto exchanges. For example, you can go to buy cryptos from a phantom wallet. You can buy some cryptos that didn't reach the crypto exchanges yet, like the meme coin. But again, the risk is just too high because again, you can buy crypto, but you might have a 40 or 80% drop of that coin like in a couple minutes. Again, the risk is too high. There is a lot of scam, so I don't really recommend that option. Also, buying before the crypto reach the crypto exchanges, so the risk is too high. I don't recommend that, but if you want to try it again, it's up to you. This is not a financial advice at the end of the day. This is just my personal opinion. So that is the second option, buy the crypto before they reach the crypto exchange. The third option, I think this is a good option, is to buy the crypto and hold it for a long term. For example, if you bought Bitcoin since 2015, or the crypto Bitcoin was around like $200. If you bought for $1,000, you will have bought about 5 or 4 Bitcoin. If you have to sell that Bitcoin at the current market price we have, you're gonna have over $500,000. Again, that's a lot of money. That can be a life-changing money for a lot of people. You just bought it for $1,000 in 2015. You bought 5. Right now, you can sell it for over $500,000. That's a good investment. I really think, in my opinion. Again, this is one of the good options that I think you can invest into cryptocurrency with. Just buy it and hold it in a long term, so that way you can make money. Because if you check the history, at the end of the day, the price is always going up. It's not going down. The price is always going up. So if you hold it in the long term, you have high percentage of chance to make money, or a large probability to make money. So this is one of the good options. Another option also is like a mix of trading and holding in a long term. So it's just buying the crypto in the bear market and you sell it in the bull market. So usually what happens, we usually have a bull. I don't know if you know what is a bull market, but usually it's usually when the price goes really up, like the price of cryptos goes really up. It's gonna reach like a huge top, I can say. The price gonna go, for example, in 2020 and 21, the price of Bitcoin went from about $10,000 to about $60,000. So again, that is the bull market. The price, people were expecting the price to go up, and there is a lot of things that's happened to make the market think we are going to the bull market. For example, we have the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving usually happen every 4 years. So meaning, to mine one Bitcoin, the difficulty gonna usually double. For example, if you are mining one Bitcoin, for example, every day, now you're gonna be able to mine just half of a Bitcoin every day. So because of that, the supplier is getting the supply is getting lower and the demand is high. And again, the price is more likely gonna go up. And there is a lot of also many major things that's gonna happen to make you think that we are going to the bull market. For example, if we check the price of Bitcoin right now, it was about $60,000. Right now it's over like $113,000 in today's current market price. And again, we're still expecting the price to go up. Why? Because we're having regulation and we are expecting to have even more ETF. For example, we have the Bitcoin ETF. We have the USA that only have the, well, like a couple months ago, they made Bitcoin in their reserve, crypto reserve options. And again, these are the options showing that we're expecting the price to go up. Because again, the crypto market is getting regulated, it's going to be more safer for investors to invest into cryptocurrency. And again, that's making the markets more safer for investor. So it's making us think, okay, we are going to the bull market. This price is not final because there is a lot of things that has to happen for the price to reach maybe the top. A lot of people are expecting maybe the price to go up to $200,000. A lot of people are expecting maybe the price to just reach $150,000. So again, those are the price people are expecting the price to reach. Then maybe the price gonna drop. The price usually drop, and that is what we usually call the bear market, because the price is gonna go lower. People usually have a lot of fear. They are selling their cryptos because the price is going lower. They don't want to lose. They're expecting. They're selling their cryptos because they don't want to lose money, because usually at the bear market the price can drop about 80%, sometimes 60%. Because if we check, for example, in 2022, the price of Bitcoin went from about $60,000 and drop up to about $20,000, something like that. But again, you have to see that is the bear market. If you had $60,000, the price drop up to $20,000. That is a lot of your money is just gone. If you just sold it when the price was at $60,000 and you wait for the price to go lower for $20,000, your one Bitcoin could have bought about 3 Bitcoin. Again, that is how you might make money with the bull market and the bear market. When the bear markets, you reach the bear market, you can buy the crypto at a lower price. When the crypto goes to the bull market, you sell the crypto at a higher price, and that's where you can make money. So those are the most major option. I think you can make money with cryptos. So the two last one, I think those are the good option, a good way you can make money. You can just hold the coin for a long term. Hold the coin for a long term, you can make a lot of money that way, or just buy when we are in the bear market and sell when we reach the bull market. So that's where you can make money. So we already talked about 2 different sections. We talk about opening an account with a crypto exchange. Section number 2, we talk about different ways you can make money with cryptocurrencies. So in the section number 3, we're going to talk about security, because we want to just know how secure our investment is going to be, because you don't want to just work hard for your money in order to put that in an investment project and end up just losing your money. So you want to just know the security level you're gonna have. So again, let's talk about security. So in the security part, we have to know first, the crypto market is volatile because the price usually goes ups and down. So the risk level it's pretty high, and you have to know the cryptocurrency that you want to invest your money in. Another risk we're gonna face also, in the cryptocurrency, it's not just the coin you have to pay attention to. You have to pay attention also to the crypto exchange that you're gonna use, because at the end of the day, a crypto exchange is just like a huge wallet. It's not your wallet. It is the crypto exchange wallet. When you buy a crypto in the crypto exchanges, it's just like a huge wallet. They're gonna just have a name maybe in the corner somewhere in the wallet. Okay, this crypto belongs to this person, Bob, James, Singh, Trezare, anybody's name. So they're gonna have that on the corner or somewhere in the crypto exchange, a name of somebody. Okay, this person is holding this, but the entire wallet is the crypto exchange wallet. And those crypto exchange are a target of a lot of hackers. So if the crypto exchange just got hacked, your crypto might get lost, or they might steal your cryptocurrency. if they stole the cryptocurrency, I know you're gonna reach out to the crypto exchange. Okay, my crypto got lost, I need help here. They're gonna have to launch an investigation. It's gonna last pretty long. It's not gonna be just a quick fix. They fix and they get you back, you get back to your crypto that you have lost. No, it's gonna be a pretty long process. They have to go an investigation, and you don't even know if you're gonna get your cryptocurrency back. So that's a very high risk to deal with if you are investing into cryptocurrency. A better option gonna be to buy a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is going to be your own wallet. It's not the crypto exchange wallet. It's going to be your personal wallet, and you're going to hold the keys of that crypto exchange that you're going to have. So with the with the hardware wallet, you're going to have your seed phrase and your PIN number. And even if you lost your hardware wallet, nobody going to have access to your crypto unless they have your PIN number and they have the seed phrase or your recovery phrase. If they have access to that, then they will have access to your cryptos. So usually the recovery phrase, you're gonna have that written somewhere, like in a sheet of paper. Again, you're gonna keep that safe, because if somebody have access to that, they have access to your cryptos. So that's the only thing you're gonna need to keep safe. If somebody stole your hardware wallet, again, it doesn't really matter. The only thing you're gonna do if they stole your hardware wallet is to get directly another hardware wallet, because if they just just get your PIN number, the PIN number you have on your hardware wallet, it's just like a regular PIN number, like on your phone. If somebody have your PIN number or your password of your phone, they get access to your phone. It's the same. If somebody gets access to your PIN number of the crypto hardware wallet that you have, they have access to your crypto. They can send that crypto to somebody else, or send that to a different wallet, their own wallet, and your crypto is gone. Nobody gonna get back. You're not gonna get that back. So it's gone. It's lost. So if you lost your cryptos before they maybe by some chance get that PIN number, by some chance, because it's difficult to get the PIN number of somebody also, unless it's just a basic PIN number you just made. So that's why you have to pay attention when you're setting up your crypto hardware, your hardware wallet. Pay attention, make like your PIN number, a hard PIN number, just in case. So, if somebody you lost your crypto, your hardware wallet, somebody has to, try to attempt to get access to your hardware wallet. They don't know the PIN number, then the hardware wallet's gonna, get locked, because they tried multiple times, didn't get the PIN number correctly. And again, you have to do that fast to get a new hardware wallet in order to send your cryptos to a new hardware wallet with a new PIN number and a new seed phrase, so somebody don't have access to that. So you don't use the old one that was lost or compromised. You don't use it anymore. You use your new hardware wallet. That is how you protect yourself with your cryptos. It is by having a hardware wallet. That is a safer option for your cryptos. You can buy the crypto to a crypto exchange, but again, don't really keep them into your crypto exchange. Just use your personal hardware wallet so you can keep your crypto safe, because a crypto exchange, it is their wallet, and they have access and control over that. So they can freeze your accounts. If they see maybe something suspicious with your account, they can freeze it. So you just have to pay attention to that. They have not your wallet, it's not your keys, it is their wallet. They have access to your cryptos, and anything can happen to your cryptos. You better have your own wallet with your own keys, so nobody have access to that, only you have access to that. So that's where you can protect your cryptos. And the next session we're going to talk about so how do we find cryptos that we're going to buy, because again, the security part, you have to open an account, how different ways you can make money, but you want to know also what are the cryptos, how do you know a good crypto to buy or a good crypto you shouldn't buy, a bad crypto to not buy, because at the end of the day you want to make money. So you just have to focus maybe on a crypto that is solving a real problem that we have. It's not just like, for example, meme coin, they don't really solve any real problem. So at the end of the day, with regulation, a lot of meme coin gonna disappear. So those are very risky investment. I don't recommend people investing to that. invest in a coin that you see they are solving a problem, you know, utility token, utility cryptos. Those are the crypto you should focus on. For example, XRP, they're solving a real life problem. For example, with the banking, they're trying to improve the wire transfer speed and many different options. For example, tokenization, all of that is trying to solve a real world problem. And those are the cryptos that's more likely gonna go higher in value because people can see that it is solving a huge financial problem that we always have. It's been for a very long time. So those are the crypto you might, you know, focus on in investing. At the end of the day, this is not a financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. So just focus on a crypto that is solving a real world problem. Those are the crypto you should focus on and invest your money, and do your due diligence to make your own research before buying any cryptos because the risk is too high. And again, so you can do your own research and see what are the risks you can face with any type of crypto you're gonna try to invest in. But again, for me, in my opinion, just my personal opinion, XRP might be a good one that you can invest in, and there are also many different coins that you might think about. XRP is good because if you check it, you can see it on the. We just have like an update in June the 14th for the ISO 222. We have the, you know, a new financial system. It's gonna start using cryptocurrency, for example, XRP, XLM, and other cryptocurrency. This is showing that again the banking system gonna start using XRP. They're gonna start using, you know, other cryptocurrency with the transaction, and those crypto is solving a good problem that we have, and there is a high probability of those crypto to do well. So those are the coins you have to focus on. Try to do your own research in the coin that you want to invest in, because this is your money. You have to do the research. It is really important. I hope this video was valuable to you, and again, I'm gonna make all the videos that I really think you're gonna enjoy watching. You know, the information, I think it's pretty good. And subscribe if you like, subscribe if you love the channel and the information that I'm providing. Give a like, or if there is any kind of comments or something you want to know also, you can just leave a comment in the description. Leave a comment and I will check that and see if I can answer those comments, if I will have enough time to do that, or just make another video regarding your comment that you're gonna make regarding any type of crypto related question. Thank you and peace.